Alright guys, so I have a confession to make, and it's gonna be super simple in this video, but I want to confess something. It's a big kind of problem on a lot of these Rams, at least ones that are hit with a lot of sun, or maybe they've been out in the elements for a little while. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that is. And it is this. So this little base for the antenna, mine was faded. I've seen lots of people's faded, and truth be told, I actually painted it. So I took it off and painted it because, I don't know if you guys can tell, but right down in there you can kind of see a little bit of remnants of the old stuff. And it was almost like a faded, almost a gray bluish chalky looking finish, and I went ahead and just painted it. So what I did, and I'm not going to redo it right for this video, but it's super simple. You don't even really have to unscrew your antenna, believe it or not, but you would unscrew your antenna and then see this kind of 3-prong thing, this nut. There's actually a tool, special tool that you can get to fit on that, but I just used a set of needle nose pliers and grabbed 2 of the prongs like this and turned, and it came off. Or you could put a rag around it, get a set of pliers and just grab here and turn it. It'll come off. You unscrew this and this plastic thing pops off, and then you can just spray bomb it. So I think based on memory, I think I ended up using just like some Krylon plastic paint. So I ended up just using some Krylon paint, and it came out great. I think it looks okay. You guys tell me what you think in the comments below, or if you have any questions about that. But that's been holding up good like that for about a year and no issues, and it still looks perfect, almost as good as new as you can imagine. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Any questions on that stuff, I'll be sure to answer them. But I kind of just want to let you guys know, if that on your truck is you know, faded like mine was, that you guys can easily remedy it and fix it like I did. But again, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Make sure you're subscribed for more content. The Hell Ram Supercharged Pro Charged Ram is on the way. I'm just working out some tuning details right now, and I should be able to start bolting some stuff up and getting underway. So also my other wheels are coming soon too, so I should have those later this week, along with the Beltec kit too. So everything's happening, I promise you guys. We're also on Instagram at BoostedMotorsports, the same spelling as the channel. But thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.